Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup without a blender. First, select fresh mushrooms like cremini or button for the best flavor and texture. You'll want about 1 pound of mushrooms. Next, we'll focus on finely chopping all your ingredients. This is key to achieving a smooth, rich soup without needing any blending equipment. We'll then build a flavorful base before moving on to thickening the soup to perfection. Let's get started. Start by finely dicing about 1 pound of your chosen mushrooms. The smaller the pieces, the smoother your soup will be. Next, in a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your diced mushrooms and cook them thoroughly until they release their liquid and turn a deep golden brown, concentrating their delicious umami flavor. Now let's thicken our soup. Push the cooked vegetables to one side of the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the empty side, let it melt, then sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the soup to thicken and all the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative for a luxurious, creamy texture. Season your soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or thyme to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious, blender-free mushroom soup hot, perhaps with some crusty bread. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.